You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up. You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds. The standing word of life will pour down onto us all. Together, we will be still. Together, a feast for faith. Together, welded by love and purest connection. Be still.